Good afternoon, and we're here at Cinnamon Place, the island of Cinnamon. And we'll have a refreshing because of the victory that we have had a while ago. And I would like to say thank you, pastors, whom I assigned, and also the core groups here, Shinalyn and Shayna. Of course, the Glorious Team. Almost naman kasi sa Glorious Team, no? Ayan yung ating camera woman. Yeah, almost sa Glorious Team talaga ang core group ng ating young generation 2025. Yun nga po, gusto kong i-update kayo that our pastors has the responsibility na to update you what is going on and what is to come. Because we must be clear that our young generation will have function on these last days. Pag sinabing last days, syempre, ibig sabihin may purpose po ang ating mga young generation. Gaya ng sinabi ko sa the book of Numbers 14:31 na the Lord prophesied, kayo ito, the Lord prophesied that we have to bring inside the circle our young people. Remember, our forefathers, yung mga nauna sa atin, sa ating family, they rejected Jesus. But the Lord seen that through the prophets in the Old Testament na may mga generation, ito yung last generation na tinatawag ng Diyos na kailangan na silang i-reactivate para bawiin yung mga ginawa nila, the reason why hindi nakasunod sa tamang Diyos ang ating mga kabataan. But I was so blessed to have that prophecy in the book of Numbers because yung solution ba ng Diyos na to this last generation, itong high technology generation na sila yung gagamitin para bumagay dito sa generation na ito. So I'm so excited, I'm so thrilled na maraming mga pinapakita ang Diyos sa akin how to activate these young people in this darkened generation. We've got to raise up generation of light, generation to combat against the dark world through by discipling them, training them to become a leader, for them to be a part of the Great Commission. Remember, lahat tayo ang ating calling is to call many people of different ages for salvation. Kaya nga ito ang ating platform for our Young Generation 2025, our IGP for 2025, international gathering din po ng mga professionals. And we will learn a lot in this group at we will put them into action. We will put them into mobilization of the goal that we have. The goal po ni Jesus na mag-spread na all throughout the whole corners of this earth ng gospel, ng good news of salvation. So, hurry up. Lahat tayo ay invited habang may grasya pa. We're going to call on more young people here in Coronadal City na tayo ay may boses and we're going to shout as a trumpet that the light of God is needed in this hour. Okay, so next would be in our KCC Mall ministry that we are targeting 300 to 500 young people. Alam ko, patuloy ang ating prayer, faith, kasi from faith to faith to faith. So, I'm training you for this level of faith, next na naman, level of faith, until we get our goal. Until we reach South Cotabato Gym for a shout out of the light of the world. So maraming salamat sa mga young people who responded. And I believe kanina, nasindihan ng fire ang mga young people na sila din ay makilahok. They will be involving themselves for the great the Great Commission na binigay ng Diyos sa atin. So I thank God for Tintin, the new pastor, a young pastor of our young people, and also CJ, Christopher John Villegas Suarez, na silang dalawa mag-work together with the core group, kayo, mga glorious team, wala namang iba, nandyan yung mga talented natin, at mga magagaling na mga young people to really be the means or to launch. I'm launching you a pad for kingdom establishment here in this planet Earth. These are the avenues or platforms launching the righteousness, peace, and joy in the Holy Ghost program of God, that the government of heaven will be announced and be an influencing factor for this whole planet Earth. And the end will come. So God bless you. We love you. I am so grateful. I am so grateful with our leaders also, our associate pastors, na nandun yung talagang push nila sa bawat platform ni Jesus dito sa ating South Cotabato, BCF. Mga estudyante, I'm so proud of you. I hope and trust that next time we can gather more. Kanina, more than 100 lang. Yun lang kasi ang capacity ng Jollibee. But we are going to really go into the next level. Now we are targeting 300 to 500 young people at KCC Mall, ang lugar na kung saan ay tambayan ng ating mga young people. For those who are partners, I would like to say thank you. Your partnership will never be in vain, because together as we partner with Jesus, we can make a big difference in South Cotabato. Bye-bye. This is Yunalyn. Mapopromote na po siya sa IGP, and also Pastora Jennifer, our young talented children's to be pastor. At ito ang ating isang core group dito sa ating, and also of course, the camera woman na talagang very active, and Papa P. God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye.